Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Instagram Stories' user base has crossed the 400 million milestone, but the image and video sharing platform isn't looking to slow down just yet. It has been testing a ton of new features for its stories of recent, but Android Police now reports that Instagram is working on a question sticker for stories. You will be able to add this sticker to your stories, just like the poll or emoji slider ones, to ask questions and collect responses from your following. The responses can be lengthy, visible to you, and help you in making decisions. This question and answers sticker is currently under testing and hasn't been rolled out to everyone just yet.